Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glow Q Vitamin C Serum. Start with a clean face. After cleansing, dispense 3 to 5 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat and massage it evenly across your face and neck. Allow it to absorb fully before moving on to your next skincare step. This ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness for a radiant glow. For best results, incorporate Glow Q Vitamin C Serum into your morning routine. After application, always follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. Crucially, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from sun damage, especially when using vitamin C. Regular use yields the best outcomes. Glow Q Vitamin C Serum offers numerous benefits, including brightening your complexion and diminishing the appearance of dark spots. It also provides antioxidant protection, helping to shield your skin from environmental stressors. To maintain its potency, store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. This preserves its effectiveness. To further enhance your skin's hydration, consider layering Glow Q Vitamin C Serum with a hyaluronic acid product. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying any new product to your entire face, ensuring no adverse reactions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Consistent use will reveal your best skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.